Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to test out MJJC's Snow Foam Shampoo. We'll start off by testing how thick this foam shampoo will apply. Then we'll see how well it rinses off the vehicle. And finally, we'll see how well of a job it does removing dirt and bugs, so stick around. All right, let's start off with a little information about this MJJC foam. They state that it's applicable to all coating colors and coated vehicles. It has a refreshing cider aroma to it. It contains crude palm oil and it's pH neutral. All right, so let's take a close-up look at the dirt on my vehicle here. The front end of this vehicle has a few bugs splattered on it. And this vehicle has been sitting a couple weeks, so there is a lot of pollen and dust sitting on it. So we'll see how well removes that without leaving any kind of spots. The windshield does have a little bit of bug splatter and dirt on it as well, so we'll see how well it takes that off. And for this test, I'm going to be applying it with MJJC's Foam Cannon version 3.0. It does state on the container to mix 3 ounces of the shampoo to 30 ounces of water. So let's get that mixed up and give it a test. Okay, once you have your mixture inside of your foam cannon, just shake it up a little bit, get the water and the shampoo mixed up good. I am going to have the setting on the full setting here for full foam. And I'll have the tip just slightly open. And for reference, I'm going to be using the Foam King short nozzle spray gun. Let's give it a test. First test will be to see how thick it applies. Here's a close-up look of the foam as it's running down the vehicle. So that is a nice, super thick layer of foam. Now I'll foam down the entire car. Then we'll give it a rinse test and see how well it rinses off. And finally, we'll inspect it to see how well it cleaned. For reference, I did the entire car. I still got a little bit left, so I'm just going to apply it, whatever's left in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and give the car a rinse, and we'll see how well it rinses off. It's on there really thick, but yet it seems to rinse off really easily. I'll continue rinsing off the rest of the vehicle. We'll give it a light dry down and then we'll inspect it for dirt and if those bugs came off. All right, so overall the car rinsed off real nice. It looks like it did a fairly well job of cleaning it. Now I'm going to take my microfiber towel here and just slightly dry it off. Just pull it across. I won't use any pressure, I'll just pull it across. That way we can see if there's any dirt or bugs left after this process. Be sure not to rub on any areas because I want to see how well the dirt was removed from the vehicle here without actually scrubbing on it. Okay, let's take an up close look here. Just a couple little water spots right in this area here, which is fine. The top of the hood looks nice. All the pollen, dirt's off. The windshield actually came really clean. Surprisingly cleaner than I thought with the bugs that were on there. Let's take a look at the front grille here, where we had the most problems with the bugs. As you can see, there's a little spot right here yet. Maybe a little bit right there. I do see a little bit down here, but that's to be expected. These bugs have been dried on this vehicle for a few weeks. So overall, I think it did a fantastic job. Here's another little spot where the bug didn't come off. Might need some good hand scrubbing in that area there. The feel after washing, you can tell there's just a little bit of grit on there yet. For the most part, it's nice and smooth, clean. That's to be expected though when you're not hand washing. If you're just going to apply this foam and then let it sit for a few minutes and rinse it off, like I did in this situation, I think it performed amazingly well. If you want to take your time, do it properly, and get out a sponge and a bucket and hand scrub it, that's the best way to do it. But if you're in a hurry and don't have a lot of time, here's the results you can expect with just spraying it on and rinsing it off. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informational as well. And it gives you an idea of what you can expect when using MJJC's foam shampoo. It does state on the directions, if you're going to be using a bucket of water instead of a foam cannon, you can mix 2 ounces to 5 gallons of water for hand washing with a bucket. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys have any questions or have used this product in the past, please let us know how it worked for you in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.